Hey there! If you're dreaming about a trip to Copenhagen, Denmark, you're in the right place. I've got the ultimate travel guide packed with must-see spots, local experiences, and practical tips to help you make the most of the Danish capital, no matter if you're a first-timer or a seasoned explorer. Let's kick things off in the historic heart of the city, Nyhavn. If you've ever seen photos of Copenhagen, you've probably spotted the brightly colored buildings and charming boats lining the canal. Grab a coffee, soak up the atmosphere, and snap that perfect Instagram shot. Now, you can't visit Copenhagen without checking out the Little Mermaid statue. Sure, she's smaller than you think, but she's iconic. Take a stroll along the harbor. Maybe rent a bike, because Copenhagen is one of the world's most bike-friendly cities. Seriously, it's the easiest way to get around and live like a local. Next up, Tivoli Gardens. This isn't just any amusement park. It's one of the oldest in the world. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just love fairy lights and live music, Tivoli is magical day or night. If you're into history, make time for Rosenborg Castle. It's right in the city center, surrounded by lush gardens. Inside, you'll find the crown jewels and royal treasures. Plus, the architecture is a total dream. Now, let's talk food. Copenhagen is a foodie's paradise. You've probably heard about the famous new Nordic cuisine, but street food is where it's at too. Head to Refn, a vibrant street food market set on the waterfront. Try traditional Danish smørrebrød. Those open-faced sandwiches are a must. And if you love artsy vibes, check out Freetown Christiania. This neighborhood has a unique alternative spirit. There's colorful street art, quirky cafes, and a real sense of community. Just remember to be respectful and follow local guidelines when visiting. Shopping? Stroll down Strøget, one of Europe's longest pedestrian streets. You'll find everything from high-end boutiques to cozy Scandinavian design shops. Finally, don't miss the view from the Round Tower or Rundetårn. Walk up the spiral ramp to the top for a breathtaking panorama of the city. Copenhagen is beautiful year-round, but if you visit in summer, you'll find long days and outdoor festivals everywhere. Winter is all about those cozy Danish hygge vibes. Think candles, hot chocolate, and festive Christmas markets. So that's your crash course on exploring Copenhagen. Whether you're here for the history, the food, or just to soak up the Scandinavian charm, this city has something for everyone. Pack your sense of adventure and get ready to fall in love with Denmark's capital. Thanks for joining me. Safe travels, and see you in Copenhagen.